Mtu na akipatana na mpenzi wako na
Video ino ya Kareni Nyamu na diehard fan wa Baba Nuru Okanga ni atiga ado mari very confused kuona yoka just a few hours after Karen Nyamu gukoro agitrend muno ni undu wa her rent issues. Someone akonekanaga akirecord Karen Nyamu kumariria she was leaving her car outside KICC where she was attending a meeting na diehard oyo wa Baba Nuru Okanga happened to be waiting for Karen Nyamu at the entrance. Karen okonekanaga just to be minding her business, akorirwo akiamukira multiple hugs kuma kuri Nuru Okanga, who wanted even to propose to Karen Nyamu. That awkward moment etigire someone goko online kana some online users marakarite muno makiuga ati security ya Karen Nyamu ni kwagirire gukorwo ikigiria mwanake gukorwo akihutahutia Nyamu na njira yo. Uyu akiuga Muhesh, don't stoop that low. Na kio akiuga huyu Muhesh ana force issues. Huyu naki akiuga this guy don't know the time we are, but najua she can handle that. Ni dem wa mtaa. Ndio maoni maku ni mariku. Did Karen Nyamu handle this situation wega? Kana Nuru Okanga ni akorirwo agikira mihaka na njira ya kuhanduraga Senator Karen Nyamu? Twaranirie down the comment section. Just a video, a random video ya gikorwo igitukinyira ikorirwo ikihanika guku nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria. A video yakorwo ikiri shared muno ya Karen Nyamu na diehard fan wa Baba Nuru Okanga. Maoni maku ni mariku? Ni kwenda kuigwa? Twaranirie down the comment section. Continue go to her support by turning on your notification and subscribing niguo hingo ciothe ugakinyagirwo ni updates citu.